One thing we tend to do when we go travelling is pack too many clothes and not pack our bags efficiently. Elva, where do we start when it comes to packing?
Well, we start by not packing too much. So learning how to mix and match and layering our clothes is really important. I take a pair of jeans, I take a pair of white pants, and I take a pair of black pants. So with these black pants, I can just put a little black cami. Over top of that, I can put a black top, and I've got quite a nice outfit for an evening. Then I can leave the black pants and I can just pop on a little coloured top. This is good for day wear. The secret is being able to dress up or dress down, changing your day wear into night wear and vice versa. And sometimes it's just simply by the accessories you choose to put with it, such as your jewellery or scarves. Shoes are a real problem if you take too many, so 3 pair is the maximum you need, plus a pair of thongs. The secret of packing is rolling your clothes. I fold the sleeve in and then I fold this jacket in half. I tuck the collar in and then I roll from side to side. Now, this is going to give me less wrinkling when I take it out of my bag. So with my jeans, after I've laid them out, I just put them over one leg on top of the other. I fold them in half, bringing the cuff up to about the waist, and then I roll. These are my go-to. Since I've discovered these, I wouldn't be without them. I separate my clothing. So because we've rolled and put our clothes into these pods, they fit very easily into my luggage.
For more great COTA travel tips, simply head to the COTA Travel website.